Your 20s are the highest leverage decade for wealth building. The decisions you make now will determine your financial position at 40, 50, and 60. 1. Build $1,000 emergency fund. 2. Get 401k employer match. Free money. Never leave it on the table. 3. Pay off high-interest debt. 4. Build 3 to 6 month emergency fund. 5. Invest in Roth IRA, $7,000 per year max. $5,000 invested at age 22 equals $153,000 at age 62. Doing nothing, 9% return. $5,000 invested at age 42 equals $21,000 at age 62. Same money, $132,000 less. Every year you wait costs you more than that year's investment amount. Lifestyle inflation with every raise. Invest half of every raise first. Not having disability insurance. Your income is your biggest asset. Waiting to invest until you feel ready. There is no ready. Calculate your financial independence number. Annual expenses times 25. Know it. Work backward. Reverse engineer your savings rate. Most 20-somethings who know this number become millionaires. Most who don't. Get my 20s financial planning guide at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.